Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a place on Google Maps. So besides search, press that tab there and then you go to add a missing place. And then once it opens, you just have to add the place details. So for example, in here you place the name of your place and then category for example, housing development, and then you have to enter your address. So just type in your address there, and then so you see beside every categories there, you see the writing required, so you have to fill that in. And then now you have to enter everything. So there it's not required, you can skip it. Now you can put the opening hours. So for example, when this place is gonna be open, so you have to select the days and time. For example, open 24 hours, and then just press save. And then you can also add a photo to help your edit get approved by adding a picture, and then everything is safe. Now you have to put your contact details, so phone number and then website, and then you go to about. So the opening data, for example, you don't know, you can also put in I don't know and then press save. And then place photos to add helpful photos like shop fronts or notices or signs, and then check everything again. Once it's all set, you press post. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching.